Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be setting up LED lights in my shed. As you can see from this wonderful B-roll, the shed is an absolute mess. Today we're just going to be focusing on the lighting because that's all that's important at the moment, but I do plan on tidying the shed up in the future. Before we begin, I'd like to go over a couple things you'll need to make a transformation like this possible. The following list assumes that you've already got power going to the shed. Number 1 on the list is light bulbs. I've decided to pick up 6 LED light bulbs from Amazon. They're 6 watt, 6500 Kelvin, which is a super white light, and they were only £4.79 for the 6, which is a really good deal. Number 2 on the list is the light battens. Now you need to make sure that these have the same fixture as the bulb. So in my case, I've got B22 bayonet fittings. I bought 6 of these and this cost me £7.74. Number 3 on the list is a suitable cable that exceeds the rating of your breaker in the consumer unit or fuse box. I've got a 6 amp breaker, so I've gone for 1mm twin and earth cable, which when clipped direct has a rating of 16 amps. This cost me £10.19. Number 4 on the list are wire clips. I'm going to use these to fix the cable to the joists in my shed. These cost me £1.22. In this clip, I'm removing the pre-existing light fixture to make room for the new lights we're about to install. I've already cut the power to the shed at the breaker, so there is no current running through the wires. With the pre-existing light fixture out the way, I'm now taking apart one of the battens to make sure I know how everything goes together. As you can see, I'm now wiring up the light batten to make sure that everything works as it should. I installed one of the LED bulbs into the wired up light batten to make sure it turned on. With one of the LEDs working, I then wired 2 battens up in parallel before I got started on all 6. Before installing the battens, I went and fitted the 6 LED bulbs and tested that the lights all came on as they should. With all 6 bulbs working and the battens installed correctly, we're now ready to see the final product. So just before I run the after B-roll, I'd just like to say thank you for watching, like, comment, subscribe when you feel like it, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of the video.